2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, brake assist, power moonroof, chrome wheels. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.